Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to be reacting or reviewing some of my subscribers' design. So before I actually jump into this, I would like to say congratulations for being a partaker of YouTube Week, where I upload videos consistently on YouTube throughout the last 7 days of every month. So starting with Fawaz, who is the first person that actually sent me his design for me to review. The design I actually did a review on exactly on this video was this last one, but as you can see from the design are not really bad. You are starting up, or you are still getting there, or you should just work on your typography hierarchy, because you can see from the text in this section here, if I was the one that did this place for resumption section, the text will be as small as this top section here. So this text here is actually to be more emphasis on a particular text, a particular element based on its importance. I know even if the text is small as this, they're still going to see it, so just do well to reduce that. This design is actually okay, not really bad. It's okay, very giving a contrast in this section here, so this is actually okay, but I don't want to waste too much time. Yeah, let me head over to the design real quick, which I actually reviewed for us. So as you can see here, this is the one that's part of what is sent to me, and you can see there's a lot to do here. And before I jump into it, let me show you what I actually redesigned real quick. So this is the one that I actually redesigned. So you can see the difference here. You can see the difference in these two sections here. So this is the one I redesigned. So let's see the differences here. Starting from the top section here, the typography, the font, you can see the font is just, even if it's a script font, it's too plain. So I'll tell you the same thing that helped me when starting out as a designer. When I was asking for correction and stuff, someone even asked me to work on my font, so I use the whole day to download some fonts. So you can do well to download as many good fonts as possible. You can watch some of my videos here on YouTube. You see some fonts there that you can start with. So you can see for this section here, it's similar to your own section, the classic and quality. I use the text background for that as well. But sometimes I'll be saying, or I'll be telling you guys when you come to my DM, that you should search for inspiration. So the thing here is that I'll show you real quick what I actually mean by searching for inspiration. So you can see, let me upload the design here that is closest to this. So you can see this. After searching from Pinterest, I took a screenshot of this, and this is what I used to create this. So you can see the this section here from the text is like this, and then the next thing I did was my other subheading there, and then you can see these 4 images similar to these 4 images in this screenshot that I took as well. It's not how will I put it? Inspiration can be inspiration is ideas. Inspiration is the same format, the same layout. That's what inspiration is. So you can just take an idea from here. You can see I took an idea from here and I implemented it here. So you can see from this text section as well, you can see those the text effect, the effect on that text in this other section here for this screenshot. This one is in the opposite direction. So you can see whenever I say, or you come to my DM and I tell you to look for more inspiration, these are what I actually mean. By the way, if you're still confused on this, you can watch my video here on YouTube as well, and now you can get inspiration from Pinterest as a designer. So you can see the layouts are very similar, but the design is still different. So that is one thing about inspiration. The layouts might be similar, but the designs, they are just very different. So let me just put this down and bring your design to the top once again. So you can see this from the top. Work on your font next time. There should be alignment. Like I said, lay more emphasis on the text based on its importance. So you can see here what we sell is kind of too big, but you can see there's a difference here. There's contrast, and you can see I use a text background. I use a stroke shape with curve radius for that text section there, and you can see the quality men cloth there. You can see the difference here. So maybe how should I say this? Well, I will say that even if you are starting out, that doesn't mean you can't see create good designs. So from this example I'm showing you here, maybe when you are working on your next design project, you can implement it as well. So you can see the different shop now. The spacing in this shop now is just too much. The padding on the left and the right is just too much. You can see mine. You can see the difference there, and you can see like I said, I'm still saying lay more emphasis on this, right? Your texts are just too big when it's not even necessary. Take a look at this. Even if the text is small on my design, you can still see it very well even without zooming in, but this is just too big, and as a result of being big, there's no balance in this section here. I know you are trying, but I hope with the help of this you'll be able to do more. So I think I should just stop here. I think the rest are self-explanatory, and focus on alignment here. You can see, let me use your design to do the alignment here. You can see from the left, everything I just align straight to the down section here. So I hope this helps you. And one thing again is look for high quality images. They will help you in designing high quality images. Use high quality images. I got this image from Pinterest. Mine that you can see from Pinterest. Use high quality images in your design. So I hope this helped. This is all for this first design we're reviewing, and I hope this would help you, and I hope you actually implement this out. So let's head over to the second person which asked me to review his design. Is actually Godswill. So Godswill sent me one of my tutorials that I uploaded for you guys on YouTube, and you can see it from there. He said he actually practiced this out, but it doesn't know the application I used to make it pop. So from now you can see the before now, and now you can see the after. So I used Lightroom and Pscc to make this pop. I mentioned it in the video that you can use Lightroom to make this pop. So you can see the Lightroom video on screen and the Pscc video on screen as well. So I'll put a link to that in the description, so do it to check it out and you'll be able to make that pop. But if you're not still satisfied, then I advise you to get my Lightroom course, which is just 1,000 naira. So this I've talked on this. He just said I should make this pop. So from this again, which color or way is better? The second, for me, the second is actually better. Like I said, how will I put it? If you agree with me concerning what I'm going to say now in the comment section, do it to let me know. Sometimes some images that you use lead to a good design. As you can see on screen, this is the image I used that led to this design, and from my own burger design that you can see here, you can see I made a post on Facebook that they should stop creating burger design flyers, that they should try something new. This burger design that you can see was created because of the quality of this image alone. The image just got my attention and I said yes, I must use this image. So by using good images, sometimes it's inspiration, the idea just comes. So even if it's your client, persuade them to give you good images. Your font is not really nice, and the font is just not really nice. It's not blending well, and the order now is not. I don't think there's a need for shadow in that section there. And like I said, your font is work on your font as well. Your font is not really nice. See the numbers at the phone number at the down section here is not aligned. See, they are going up and coming down. You can use Pumpkins or Montserrat and just try that out, and you can change the text for your burger as well. Like I said, I have a video on the font here on YouTube. I'll put a link for that in the description. So I don't want to waste more time here. Just maybe take a screenshot from my own burger design and try to make some adjustments that you can see here. Like I said, I talk on font here and images. So do that when working on your next design. Do well to check that out for yours. And again, he also said you tried out this video that's on my channel. By the way, this video is also on my channel. You guys should do check it out if you have not seen this. And you can see the original design here. The editing is the saturation is a bit too much, but like I said, they're actually trying out. But if you're not still satisfied with your own editing skills, you can get my Lightroom course, or you can start practicing with my Lightroom tutorials here on YouTube. So this is all that Godswill sent to me to review. So I'll head over to the last person who sent his design to review here real quick. So this is Bani design. He sent me to review this design. I can see it is workers dinner and award night. So you can see this is your own design here and this is mine. So you can see the difference here. Even when I was creating this, I couldn't see good inspiration. How should I put it? It's more like I was looking for inspiration, but everything I was seeing was just bad design. Don't get me wrong, I'm not insulting anybody design. I just saying that what I was seeing from Pinterest were not good designs to lead to a good inspiration. But I was able to come out with this just from the main title, dinner and award. So when I searched for the prompt, I was seeing flyers like this, like yours. I was seeing flyers like this. Just run real quick. Let me put this to the screen. I was seeing flyer like this. Yeah, this is the inspiration that led to this design. So you can see I made sure I use the bottle that was standing. Just hold on real quick. Let me move this a bit. I made sure that I use a bottle that was standing. This is how the inspiration started coming. Look at this. I used the dinner to represent the bottle there, and I used the award to represent this award image right here. But this was actually the main source of inspiration. This is where I even got my color combo from. But more of these colors are from the background. There's a background here that I made it blend like this, but this is where the inspiration came out more for me. So you can see from here, inspiration as well. Like I've said, inspiration can be the elements that are seen on any design page that you are using for inspiration. So you can see I use the color combo here, I use the red and the main background color combo here. I haven't wanted to use the ribbon, as you can see here, but I ended up using, I still make sure I use the red. It's like I said, inspiration again, which is the inspiration here now was more of the color combo. Yeah, so you can see here I did this from this, but let's take a look at yours again. From yours again, there's no balance here. You can see the text. This is not how will I put it, you're not working with only text. If you're working with only text, then everything could have been centralized. It isn't balanced in this section here, but you can see mine, everything is aligned from this section here. Everything is aligned in that section there. From the top section, the church name, you can see present is not aligned with the church name there. Workers is not even aligned with the church name. Nothing is even aligned there, if I'm being honest. Sorry about that, but nothing is actually aligned here. Alignment, you can see the grid line. See the grid line here. Just take a look at it. You can see the grid line here. Your text is not aligned. You can see this. This is what I'm saying. Your text is not. So you just work on your left alignment. Select the text and click on the left alignment. They'll be aligned coming straight down. So you can see that I use the script font for the what's it called, for the workers. It lay more emphasis on the text based on its importance. So dinner and award was what I lay more emphasis on. You can see it stood out here from the design. It stood out from the design. Let me just put your design on the screen real quick back. It stood out here from the design, and the workers, I use a script font for that. I'm not saying you must be using a script font. This is just the emphasis there was not really necessary. That's why I use the red color to represent the contrast there, and you can still see it. The workers there is there. The dinner and award, which is this again. I use a different font for this, so you can see I just use only 3 fonts in this design. I use only 3 fonts in this design. So similar to what you did here, red carpet was, I took the inspiration from you. Red carpet, you can see my red carpet is actually see the same thing. So like I said, you see the way this is aligned, and you see the ways you can see the difference for yourself here. I think this is even self-explanatory. You can see the difference for yourself here. So you can see this. I don't want to take much time talking a lot in this video, so I think this is it. Yeah, we'll just work on alignment, font selection, and high quality images. Like I said, some good images will lead to good design inspiration. It has worked for me, and I hope this works for you. So I think that's all. I don't want to waste this guy's time. This video wasn't planned as this. It was just an inspiration when I was just uploading videos, and I'm glad I was able to review your design. And one thing I'll say is that if you've sent your design before, you can't send your design again. I'm sorry about that. I'm sorry about that. You can't send your design again, so I have to do other people review as well. So you can't send your design again. I'm really sorry about that. So I want to say thank you for checking out my channel today. Thank you for staying to the end. If this video was helpful, do well to share to a friend. Me myself, I'm still learning in design. I'm not perfect yet. So if you're a professional watching this video, you can do a review on my own design as well. So I hope this video was helpful to someone, and I'll see you guys in my next video.